Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today I am turning the Santa mug into a treat holder. It's super easy and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, if you're not familiar with the Santa mug die set, it is so cute. Here I'll show you the entire die set. There are dies to make a gingerbread man. There are dies to make a holly with berries, a snowflake, the Santa's face, and then there's the mug itself, accent pieces for it, and whipped cream. Here's all the pieces I die cut out today. I used a lot of glitter paper, and I am going to make a mug that has patterned paper for the front of the mug, and those are going to be Santa's Christmas jammies. So I have 3 mugs here. You'll see how that all comes together. But I need those specifically to create the box. So first, let's go ahead and put Santa together. I glued his beard to the piece that is his face, and then I added the mustache and the nose. And next, I like to put the little trim piece on that's like maybe the top of his hair. Oh, I guess I did add the smile. Or it could be the top of his hat, just depending on how you look at it. And then there's some eyebrows. So now that I have those in place, I can add in the eyes, and they're going to fit right in between like the mustache and the little eyebrows. By the way, all the mustache, beard, and stuff is with white glitter paper. And then I did black cardstock for the eyes and the mouth. And these are kind of those like squinty eyes. I think they're so very cute. All right, then we have a die that cuts not only the nose, but some little cheeks. And I just die cut that from some super light pink cardstock. You could also color like the cheeks, the nose with Copic markers. I've done this in a previous video where I turned this mug into a gift card holder. I will link that video at the end of this one in case you haven't seen that one. It's another way you can alter this die set. So to accent the mug, I did black glitter paper at the top and the bottom. You can make a little gold buckle, but I wanted these to be Santa's Christmas jammies, so I decided to not use the buckle this time. I added that really detailed whipped cream to the top, and then the holly and berries. I don't know if I could go a Christmas card making season without holly and berries. It's like my favorite. My Christmas dishes have holly and berries on them. I love it so much. And I love Santa. My whole tree is Santa themed. Okay, for the box that makes this a treat holder, you need a piece of cardstock that is 2 inches by 7 inches. We're going to score it at 2.5 and 4.5. Then you turn it, score it at 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches. Very simple to do. I like to cut away the scored line in a triangular shape where the box would fold together. It just helps those edges not overlap. You could just snip it on the scored line, but when you snip it away, you don't have that overlapping. And then I like to fold on the scored lines before doing anything else, and this is just going to help prepare it to be inserted and become the box that's going to hold our cute little treat. So it's going to go like this in between the 2 cardstock mugs. And to adhere that, I'm using some double-sided tape. You could use liquid glue. I find tape is the easiest in this situation. If you're worried about your box coming apart, like if it's going to sit somewhere that's kind of warm, you might want to do glue and tape. So I removed the backing from the adhesive on one side. I'm putting the centerpiece on first and then folding up the sides, and those can even be angled out and not be perfectly straight to fit like the contour of the mug itself. So very helpful. And then you can fit a little bit more in it when you do that. Then I fold in the back flaps and remove the backing on them, and I can add the second cardstock mug. I didn't want the front of this mug to just be patterned paper because it's lighter weight. So that's why I have the 2 cardstock pieces for this little box itself. But there you can see I've got a box in between the 2 mugs, and I can very easily add a treat to it. So first thing I want to do is add my cute part, the Santa. So I'm going to glue that right down to the front mug here, and yeah, it's so very cute. I love adding boxes like this to die cuts. So to fill this treat box. I have some homemade cocoa, some marshmallows, and a little peppermint spoon. You can find these all over the place, or chocolate ones. I specifically got mine at like a dollar store, and then I'm just going to tie a ribbon around that to hold it shut. And then we have the perfect little after Christmas Eve wrapping, delivering gifts. Santa can have his cocoa, or whoever you want to give this to. I think it'd make a really good gift for a teacher, a coworker, or somebody that serves you, maybe like your person who delivers your mail or something like that. Really fun little gift, even neighbor gifts. So I have the Slimline Tag Die Set and this holiday tag sentiment set, and I am going to emboss my sentiment on some green paper with white embossing powder. I just needed another little pop of green, and it says a gift for you. So we'll emboss that and then die cut it into a tag shape with that Slimline die set. I love the tags in this set because it makes a hole in the top of the tag for you. I added some red twine, and I'm just going to thread that through the ribbon and tie it in a knot to hold it in place to finish off my cute little treat box. These are pretty quick and easy to do, and you can write a little note on the back if you like, and also decorate your mug however you like. It doesn't have to be Santa in his Christmas jammies, but feel free to copy that because I wouldn't mind at all. But I just want to say thank you for stopping by and visiting the Trinity Stamps channel. I know we love Trinity Stamps, and we hope to pass that on to you. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or if you want the products I used, they're also down there in the description box. I will see you all again very soon on the next video. Happy stamping! Bye!